Powerful. Crush it. Dramatic wood transport with unexpected and engaging moves. Don't miss it. Discover it now. Oh my God! An extremely dangerous incident just happened when the tree trunk was not able to adjust the direction of the fall. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you find these moments interesting. With a few precise movements, the machine's sharp saw blade shot out, embedded itself deep into the tree trunk, and quickly knocked down a stump as big as an electric pole. Continuing with the Grappin Industrial Forestier, it offers the ideal solution for lifting and lowering timber in logging forests. Thanks to its advanced design and stable performance, this equipment not only helps to improve work efficiency, but also ensures safety for the operator. Thanks to these advantages, the logging process becomes more efficient and professional than ever. As the pace of work increased, the roar of engines, the clanging of iron chains, and the resounding commands from the crew created a passionate symphony at the harbor. At that moment, the big barge, loaded with giant logs, slowly approached the shore, ready for a spectacular unloading, a breathtaking confrontation between man and steel machine. Wow, Mercedes 2651 and MAN TGS 26480, a pair of heavy-duty trucks that are perfect for tough transport tasks. Both models are equipped with powerful engines, outstanding load capacity, durable and stable operation, ready to conquer all terrains and high work pressure. Oh my God! A rare incident happened when this crane was on duty to lift a log, but unfortunately it flipped over.
And even ended up tipping over.
When faced with extreme challenges, the T4, a symbol of Soviet power, demonstrated its superiority when pulling a 40,000-kilogram timber truck. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, this vehicle is a testament to its engineering prowess and its ability to withstand the harshest of snowy winters. Want to learn how to drive a truck in the woods? This video will give you the best close-up shots of the Scania 6x6. Leave a like so you don't miss out. You will surely be impressed when witnessing Komatsu 890.3 Steel Warrior crossing wild forests, conquering all harsh terrains. With impressive power and flexibility, it not only moves wood but also creates a harmonious rhythm of forestry work, where machinery blends with nature. Indispensable on large projects, the Cat 545C dual arch grapple skidder, equipped with a powerful 190 horsepower engine, is an important piece of equipment in large-scale forestry projects. The extremely strong double clamp system helps to hold and pull giant tree trunks with a diameter of up to 90 centimeters, overcoming all difficult terrain. Bernostalgia Bersama Ketasaydan Nissan TZ520 with 280 horsepower engine and 26,455 pounds weight is a powerful truck used in logging. The sturdy design, stable operation helps the vehicle move easily on difficult terrain, optimizing the work of transporting wood in the forest. Are you a fan of heavy machinery? Let's admire the power of the LKT-81T skidder. Subscribe to the channel to discuss. Next, a John Deere skidder log tractor gets stuck in a swamp during a logging accident. In an emergency, a track hoe excavator is deployed to the rescue, using its strength and maneuverability to free the tractor from the swamp. DF-150 Eon Komatsu PC-210LC. 10 is an indispensable tool for logging contractors. With a 150 horsepower engine, weighing 46,294 pounds, designed by Dennis Samath. DF-150 Eon Komatsu PC-210LC. 10 is the perfect choice. A formidable crusher that easily handles all types of trees. DF-150E, when combined with Komatsu PC-210LC 10. With its durable design and precise cutting system, the machine effectively handles heavy materials, such as wood and waste. Leave a like in the comments section if you are interested in these machines. The skidder LKT-81T, with its 250 horsepower engine and 28,660 pound weight, is ideal for hauling logs in harsh forest terrain. With its flexible mobility and superior traction, it delivers optimal performance in logging operations. The Rotten F-18 is a powerful timber harvester equipped with a 175 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 39,691 pounds. When unloading, the machine easily handles large logs, operates stably and efficiently, helping to optimize the working process in the exploited forests. In addition to the Claas Zerion 5000, the Claas 950 combined with the Wust Hacker BBHK, E100 wood chipper is also an ideal solution for heavy-duty wood processing. With a 500 horsepower engine and a weight of 39,693 pounds, the machine has a powerful crushing capacity, effectively processing all types of wood. The TigerCat LX8 30D Feller Buncher, with its powerful 280 horsepower engine and 57,638 pound weight, is the top choice for logging work. Equipped with a hot saw head, the machine easily and quickly cuts and splits trees, providing outstanding performance in harsh job sites. The Bandit Beast 4680 wood chipper with 475 horsepower and 41,891 pounds of weight is ready to eat any stubborn log. The machine operates powerfully and efficiently, helping you complete the job quickly and easily. Unbelievable. The Bandit Beast 4680, with its 475 horsepower engine and 19 tons of weight, easily shreds short logs and large blocks of wood. It operates powerfully and efficiently, delivering extremely high productivity. Can you imagine its capabilities in logging work? Skidder LKT81 is a powerful and efficient log hauler to conquer any terrain. With 81 horsepower, it excels in conquering harsh terrain, bringing high efficiency in logging. The Waldfieber HP Holes is a must-have. With its superior wood quality and excellent harvesting capabilities, it is the ideal tool for handling and transporting storm-fallen timber. Oh my gosh! The sight of working in the wet forest with the Belarus MTZ-892 is amazing. With the ability to overcome all difficult terrain, this tractor easily moves through mud and harsh conditions, bringing efficiency to the work.